Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to install the firmware update on the MMI 3G Plus and High. First of all, I will show you how to check your current version. It's quite simple, just go to the main menu, set up MMI, go down onto version information, and like you can see, that's the firmware version and that's the sat-nav. So I've got actually the one of the latest firmware version. Anyway, you will need also the hidden green menu access. To get there, you need to press menu and the car buttons together. What we need to change in the green menu, we have to enable the custom update option, which we call user defined mode, because we will need to make sure that the Bose update or Bank Olufsen is not selected, because it might cause some big problems for you. Okay, so when we enable them, we need to get into the engineering menu. I get there by pressing back button and car. Right, so here we can also check what firmware version we have got already. And right, to get to the system update, just simply, you can see here on the right bottom side, update, just need to press those buttons. Right, I got here the SIM card, the SD card with the firmware. It's being loaded. Yes, so that's the latest firmware version for MMI 3G Plus. Well, let's get into there. And we have the user defined option enable. If it's grey out, then mean it's not being enabled in hidden green menu. Okay, let's go there. Alright. On this menu, you have to, if you have the Bose system or Bank Olufsen, make sure that there is no any Bose related options or Bank Olufsen, because it may cause some really big problems with your subwoofer, with the fader. It's really problematic, and we need to actually recoding the whole system. And when you are ready, you just need to press start update. I will not do that because I have already installed that version, but I have also made a lot of modification in my hidden green menu. For example, just for that, I've got my Audi Netbox, which enables the Audi Connect. So I will just cancel that one. To exit from engineering menu, you have to press also back and car button. I'll just show you that it's still working fine. It's supposed to work. Now is everything fine. Alright, so I hope that video will help you. I will also attach the link for the normal tutorial which I wrote for you. So if you don't have any questions, just send me a private message on Facebook or on my email address. Have a nice day, guys. See you later.